Good morning, children. I welcome to you online MB classes. Children, today we shall discuss worksheet 17 of your Uthan English book, class 7. Okay, so let's discuss the question answer of worksheet 17. Here we have to pick the odd one from a group of words. Yes or no? Yes. Here something or someone in a group is different or exceptional that does not fit. Children, this is a visual puzzle where the guesser has to choose which word or picture or symbol etc. does not fit with the others in the group. Understand? Now, children, you look. Pick the odd one emoji out, put a tick mark on the odd one. Children, here some emoji are given. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 emoji are given here, children. Here, this is a line, this is a line, this is a line, this is a line. Now we have to pick the odd one. We have to pick the odd one from this line. Children, you look this emoji, and this emoji. You say which emoji is the odd one, which emoji among three emoji, which one is the odd one, this one or this one or this one, which one, this one. Okay, you are right. Next, children, you look in this line. There are also three emoji. This one, this one, this one. You look, children, which one is the odd one? This one or this one or this one? Which one, children? You say this one. Okay, you are right. This one. These two emoji are same. Also, these two, they are same. Yes or no? Yes. This is the odd one, this is the odd one. Now, children, you look in the line 3. Which one is the odd one? Which one? You look very carefully. Which one is the odd one? This emoji or this emoji or this emoji? Which one? Which one? You say this one. Yes, you are right. This one is the odd one. Next, in this line, which emoji is the odd one, children? You look carefully. Look carefully. Which one? Which one? This one. Yes, you are right. This one is the odd one. They are same. Yes or no? Yes. Children, let's do another activity. Children, let's do another activity. Activity 2. Here, odd one out from pictures. Children, you look. Here, some pictures are provided for you. Some pictures are provided for you. Here, this is a picture of, you say what key? This is a picture of cow. This is a picture of tiger. This is a picture of goat. Yes or yes? How many pictures are there? How many pictures are there? Only 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a wild animal. It is a wild animal. You children, we have to find the odd one out from the picture. This one, this one, this one, this one. Picture bhitere kouta alaga odd one, children. Which? Tiger? Yes, it is a wild animal. It is a wild animal. Cow is a domestic animal. A kid, a goat, they are domestic animal. Yes or no? ଆମେ ତାକୁ ପାଳୁ, ବଟ୍ ଟାଇଗରକୁ କ'ଣ ଆମେ ପାଳୁ? ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଆନିମାଲ୍, ଟାଇଗର. ଦିସ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଅଡ୍ ୱାନ୍. Clear? Next, children, now you look in question number 2. Some birds pictures are given there? Yes or no? Yes. You look very carefully. Uh, among them, one bird is odd one. Which bird is odd one? You say. Which one? This is peacock. It is our national bird. It is not. It is our national bird. Except peacock, this one or this one or this one is not our national bird. Next question number 3. You look children very carefully. Pictures. These pictures. Look. Which one is a odd one? This is a non-living things. That should be a non-living things. Which one? Top. Yes, this one is the odd one, because this is a non-living things. This one and this one, they are living things, but this one is a non-living things. Am I right? Yes. Children, you look question number 4. Also, like these 4 pictures are there, you look very carefully. Okay, look, this one and this one. Which one is the odd one? She or he treats yours. Pile it is a odd one habo se amuku chikitsa kare. Who? You say who? This one? Yes. He is a doctor. He treats us. Except this one, all the 3 pictures, they do not treat us. Yes or no? Yes. Let's do activity 3, children. Odd one out from words. Children, here also some words are given, but in the above some pictures are given. Now here some words are given. Encircle the odd one and mention the region as shown in the example. Here you look: cabbage, ginger, potato, radish. 4 words are there. We have to find the odd one. Yes or no? Here cabbage is the odd one. What? Here cabbage is the odd one, as all others grow under earth. Ginger, potato, radish grow under earth, but cabbage is different. Yes or no? Children, you look in question number 1, January, November, July and August. Among the 4 months, January, November, July, August, which one is the odd one? Which one? You try to say November. Yes, this is the odd one. Why? Because November is the month of 30 days only. November is the month of 30 days. Except November, January, July and August, these months are of 31 days, but November is 30 days. This is the month of 30 days. Ita 30 dinia au सब गुड़ाक कौन पिले 31 दिनिया. Yes or no? Yes. Children, next children, you look. Desk, blackboard, classroom, bench. Among them, which you find the odd one? Desk, blackboard, classroom, bench. Which one? You try your best. You try. Yes, classroom. Yes, classroom is the odd one. Why? Because desk, classroom, bench. Desk, classroom, bench. Desk, blackboard, bench. They all are found inside the classroom. Yes or no? Classroom is a room. But desk, blackboard, bench are kept inside it. Yes or no? That's why classroom is odd one out from these words. Yes or no? Yes. Children, question number 3. Put and egg aunt. Children, This is a question of doubt. Put, whether it is a put or pot, I don't know. And egg aunt. Children, sorry to say the answer. Put and egg aunt. Children, sorry for this answer. I don't know whether there is a mistake or not, but I will try. I will try uh, mm, to give you the right answer very soon. Children, worksheet 18 from your Uthan practice book English. Children, like other day, we shall also discuss the question answer. Yes or no? Yes. Children, look, here some crossword puzzles are given. Right, children? Are you ready to read? Listen. Are you ready? Okay. So you look, an activity is given. One, solving crossword puzzle. Yes or no? Solving crossword puzzle, children. It is not new for us. We have solved like this crossword puzzle before. Yes or no? Yes. So see the picture below and fill in the blanks to make meaningful words and write those words in the space provided. Children, here we have to look the picture and write its name. Yes or no? Yes, this is the blank place. We have to write what is this? Bat. This is a bat. B-A-T, bat. Children, look, what is this? This is a bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. Yes or no? Yes. Huh? Do you understand? Yes. Children, look 3. What is this? This is a bird. This is a bird. We have to fill B-I-R-D, bird. What is this? What is the picture of this horse? H-O-R-S-E. Clear? Horse. Yes or no? Yes. Do you feel interesting? Do you enjoy? Yes. What is this? An apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Yes or no? Yes. What is this? This is a flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Is it easy? Yes. It is very easy. You can do. Yes. What is this? This is a fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Yes, I am fond of fish. Are you fond of fish? Yes. Okay, thank you. This is a fan. F-A-N, fan. Yes or no? Fan. We use fan in when? In summer season. No. This is what? This is a hen. Yes or no? Hen. This is a picture of hen. Here is the blank place. We have to write fish. Number 1, fish. Number 2, hen. Number 3, fan. Yes or no? This is very easy. Look the picture and write its name. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. Then go to the activity 2. Find out words from cross puzzle. The first one is done for you. Children, very interesting. It's a game. What? Finding words from crossword puzzle. Children, who can find out the words from cross puzzle very soon? Who? Okay, let's see. Solve the crossword. Look for 6 colors. Children, in this box, 6 colors are inside it. We can find out the 6 colors. What? 6 colors. But in question, there is a numbering from 1 to 5. Where is the 6 number? Look, what the 6 number? Okay, let's see. What are the colors? What are the colors? Children, number 1 is black. Black. Where is black, children? You look, BLACK. Here is the black. Blue, number black, children. Blue. Here is the another color, color. Blue, BLUE, blue. Red, children. Where is the red? Red, children. Children, you look. This is green. This is green. This is orange. This is orange. Children, this is orange. This is red, children. This is red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Yes. So there is the blanks, 5 blanks. Next 6 blank. What are the 6 colors? Children, what are the 6 color? Children, this is about your activity. Do you enjoy it, children? Yes or no? Yes, it is very interesting. The crossword puzzle was very interesting. You enjoyed this. Also, I think uh, by doing the crossword puzzle, you are able to write the names of some pictures. Yes or no? Yes. You also know the colors. We can form the words. We can find out the word. Yes or no? Yes. Children, if you like my teaching, you don't forget to subscribe my channel. By subscribe my channel, you can get more and more interesting learnable videos. Children, let me stop. Thank you so much.